So this is what the view is when you walk in to the room. On the left you have Mr. Puff Puff. I'm going to turn the light on so maybe you can see a little bit better. Mr. Puff Puff is on the left. But this is my chest of drawers. I'll try to link it down below if you so happen to want it. My TV. So on the walls I have Life is Beautiful. I have some masks. And I have 5 Seconds of Summer poster. So then keep it moving. I have my fan and my trash can. My that is where I keep my nail polishes at. My slippers. This is a book stand with my makeup and just random stuff on it. This is my closet. Hi guys. This is my closet, which we won't be going in there because that's a mess. So beside the book stand we have this little, I don't even know what you want to call it. But as you can see I have my planners and stuff like that. On top of it I have my Target Dollar Spot planner, my lamp, a few pens and pencils, some notepads, and the water. Then you have my bed. And above my bed I have all the way around shelves. So, yeah. So this is my bed. My laptop on it. And then if you have this corner, I have my old computer, some more makeup right there. This is the cat food, cat box. You have my dresser with lovely peach on it. I have my makeup and some other stuff in it. And then all my clothes are in there, my cat food, water. So yeah, I have my makeup stuff in here. I got my earrings, just random stuff. This holds all my washi tape now. My jewelry box, my lamp, and yeah, and then you're back at the door. That is my chicken onesie. And like I said, all over I have all my hats and just a bunch of random stuff over on my shelf. So yeah. And I have the Vance poster, which you can see it's been torn by my lovely cats. But that's alright. I have a few other things on the wall, but other than that, that's my room. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Say bye, Mr. Puff Puff.